Good deal. Now we're coming into that grasping of the bird's tail. We're going to come out of that last heel kick, which is going to be that left foot. So as you come out of that last heel kick, push that foot forward. We're going to drop that foot down. And first grasping the bird's tail is going to be going to the right. So we're going to bring those hands down. So that right hand is going to have that energy ball here on the center. The right hand is going to be the bottom. We're going to what's called ward off. So the right hand is just going to ease on around. That left hand is going to follow. And as you kind of ease that on around, those toes are pointing forward. Turn those hands over and come back. You're going to come back. So now that left hip, then they're going to cross and you're going to push straight. And push, pull, redirect. You're going to pull, shift that heel back, come back top of the chest, a little bend in the knees, and up. And we're going to transition over. Now that left hand is going to come down to be the bottom of that energy ball, and we're going to ward off. That right hand is now going to follow. Turn them over, bring them back, and push. Pull that back. Top of the chest, all the way down to the belly button, and then back up. Now we're going to rock that around. Number 2 on each side. And ward off. Bring that back. Push. That push, pull. Redirect. That last one. Pointing that toe. Ward off. Follow. Pull it back. Straight back to the chest. And then we're going to bring that back to the center. And here we're going to go into our final embrace that tiger. But for that, I'm going to turn sideways for this. I'm just going to kind of stand towards that camera. So as we go into that first grasping the bird's tail, that right foot is going to step out. And we're going to do what's called warding off. We got that energy ball here in the center. The right hand here is going to be the bottom of that energy ball, and we're going to ward off. So imagine opening a curtain. We're not going to go way around, just going to go just past the body, and that left hand is going to follow it around. And then as we get it right about here, we're going to turn those hands over and pull them back. And we're going to pull it back just to right about that left hip. And those hands are going to cross. And then we're going to push it straight forward, right over top of that knee. And then we're going to pull it back, top of the chest. That foot here is just going to rock back. And then we're going to put a little bend in the knee, all the way down the chest and up. Last one, we're going to transition over. We grab that energy ball and with that left hand under, do the same thing on the opposite side. So that's a step, ward off, follow through, turn it over, pull it back. Back elbow, which is if you go to the right, it's going to be that left. It's going to push that wrist here. His hands are going to naturally separate as they go all the way to the end. We'll fly like Superman. Now we pull the back top of the chest. push down about the belly button and up. Now we transition over. Now that top hand, the left side, that left hand becomes the bottom hand, and we step to the left, and we ward off. Now the right hand follows, and we turn it over. As those hands come back, that lead hand here is going to be pushed forward by that back hand here. So we're going to create an X, and we just push straight over top of that foot, that knee, until they separate naturally, flying like Superman, bringing that back, top of the chest to the belly button, and transition. And the lead hands will now become that bottom, and we ward off. Follow through, turn it over. Back hand is going to push, forward hand, push, pull, and redirect. Now we're going to shake those legs out. Now coming out of those heel kicks. Now coming out of those heel kicks. So that first grasping the bird's tails, we're going to go to that right side, my right side here. So we're going to grab one to each side, so ward off. Follow through, turn it over, pull it back, and push. Pull, redirect, transition. Lead hand comes under. You step, ward off, pull it back as you push, pull, redirect, transition. Lead hands coming under. You ward off, follow it up, turn them over, bring them back. Back hand's going to push the forward hand. Push, pull, redirect. And that last one. Lead hands coming under. Ward off. Turn them over. Back hand is going to push the forward hand. Push, pull, and redirect. And for finally, we're going to come back to center. Here we'll go in to our embrace the tiger. Good job.